The GUID resolver helps you to understand the GUIDs you see in your browser to give them names of the files that actually stand behind those. To get started, install the add-on through the links on the GitHub page and also install the Unity package in your Unity project. Once you did that, you're ready to export the GUIDs to a JSON file. Just click Assets and generate GUID mapping. You will get information where the mapping is then stored. Once you exported it, you can easily import it in the GUID mapping add-on. Just choose the file and then click Select to upload it. Now you can see I have 7,000 entries here, and when I reload the page, all of those GUIDs are automatically mapped to the name they have in the project. This also works if I now switch assets, it updates automatically, and it makes your life a lot easier if you have pull requests, for example, where there are a lot of scriptable objects in there to understand what is actually going on. Have fun with that.